Do you ever try to talk about your daily routine in English, but the words do not come out?
Many learners feel the same. They want to talk, but they forget simple words like wake up, get ready, cook, study, or relax.
Today, we will make it very easy for you.
By the end of this lesson, you will talk about your daily routine with clear and simple English.
And you will feel confident every time someone asks, "What do you do every day?"
So stay with us. You will learn a lot today.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your English learning time with us. I am John.
And I am Lily. We are happy that you are here.
Today, we will talk about your daily routine.
Your daily routine means the things you do every day,
From the moment you wake up,
to the moment you go to sleep.
we will help you learn the words you need.
And we will use simple English so you can understand everything.
So sit back, relax, and enjoy this lesson.
Let us start.
Tell me about your morning routine. What is the first thing you do after you wake up?
Well, I usually wake up at 7 in the morning. When I wake up, I sit on my bed for 10 seconds because I still feel sleepy.
I do the same. I need a little moment to understand where I am.
Exactly. After that, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Nice. Do you take a shower in the morning?
Sometimes, if I feel very sleepy, a shower helps me feel fresh.
That is true. A shower in the morning feels great.
After that, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
I like simple breakfast, sometimes toast and eggs, sometimes a banana and yogurt.
My breakfast is not simple. I love big breakfasts.
I know, you always eat a lot in the morning.
Yes, breakfast gives me energy. I usually make eggs, toast, fruit, and sometimes even pancakes.
Pancakes? That sounds delicious.
It is. I enjoy cooking in the morning. It makes me feel calm.
That is nice. After I eat breakfast, I get ready for work. I choose my clothes, brush my hair, and check my bag.
Do you pack your lunch?
Yes. I make a simple lunch like sandwiches or pasta.
That sounds healthy.
What about you? What do you do after breakfast?
I like to read for 10 minutes. It helps my mind wake up.
That is a nice habit.
How do you go to work?
Most days I take the bus. The bus stop is near my house.
Is it busy in the morning?
Very busy. Many students and workers take the bus at the same time. Sometimes I do not get a seat.
That can be uncomfortable.
Yes, but I listen to music, so I feel relaxed.
Music helps a lot.
How do you go to work?
I walk. My office is close to my home, so walking is easy.
That is nice. Walking is healthy and free.
Yes. It takes me 10 minutes. I enjoy the fresh air.
I wish I could walk to work. It sounds peaceful.
It is. I like watching the birds and the trees on my way.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9. When I arrive, I open my laptop and check my emails.
Same here. That is the first thing I do too.
After emails, I make a plan for my day.
Planning is important. If I do not plan, I forget things.
Yes. After planning, I start my tasks. Some days are busy. Some days are slow.
My work is busy almost every day. I talk to many people, write reports, and join meetings.
That sounds tiring.
It is sometimes, but I enjoy my work.
That is good. Enjoying your work makes the day feel easier.
What do you do for lunch?
I eat in the office kitchen. I bring food from home.
That is nice. I usually eat with my co-workers. We sit together and talk.
That sounds fun.
It is. We laugh a lot.
What do you do after lunch?
I continue my tasks. In the afternoon, I usually feel sleepy.
Me too. Afternoon sleepiness is real.
Sometimes I drink coffee to stay awake.
I drink tea.
That is healthier. After coffee, I focus better.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5.
Same here. After work, what do you do?
It depends. Sometimes I go shopping. Sometimes I go home.
Do you exercise in the evening?
Yes. 3 times a week I do simple exercises like stretching or yoga.
Yoga sounds relaxing.
It is. What do you do in the evening?
I usually go for a walk or read a book.
When do you start making dinner?
Around 7. I like cooking simple meals like rice with vegetables or pasta with sauce.
I like simple meals too. Cooking takes time, so simple food is good.
True. After dinner, what do you do?
I clean the kitchen first. Then I relax.
How do you relax?
I watch a show, listen to music, or talk to my parents on the phone.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I usually watch a video or study something new.
That is productive.
I try.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 10:30.
That is early.
I like sleeping early.
I go to bed at 11 or 11:30, sometimes later.
Why later?
Because sometimes I do not feel sleepy.
That happens to me too.
Before bed, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Same here.
And I like to read for 5 minutes. It helps me relax.
Reading before bed is a great habit.
Yes. After that, I sleep peacefully.
Your routine is very healthy.
Thank you.
Now let us teach you some useful phrases from our conversation.
Listen carefully and repeat after us. Wake up means to stop sleeping. Example, I wake up at 7.
Repeat after me. I wake up at 7. Get ready means to prepare for your day. Example, I get ready for work.
Repeat after me, I get ready for work. Make breakfast means to cook your morning meal. Example, I make breakfast every day.
Repeat after me. I make breakfast. Commute means traveling to work or school. Example, my commute is short.
Repeat after me, my commute is short. Take a break means to rest for a short time. Example, I take a break after lunch.
Repeat after me. I take a break. Finish work means your workday is over. Example, I finish work at 5.
Repeat after me, I finish work at 5. Relax means to rest or do something calm. Example, I relax in the evening.
Repeat after me. I relax in the evening. Fall asleep means to start sleeping. Example, I fall asleep at 11.
Repeat after me. I fall asleep at 11.
Now it is your turn. Try to answer each question aloud. What time do you wake up? Do you eat breakfast every day? How do you go to work or school? What do you do after lunch? What time do you go to bed?
Great job! Even if your answers were short, you practiced well.
Now we want to hear from you.
Today's question is simple.
What is one thing you do every day?
Tell us in the comments. We read your answers and enjoy them a lot.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
You learned many useful words and phrases.
Remember, small daily practice makes your English stronger.
Keep learning and stay positive.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to our channel.
And come back for more simple and friendly English lessons.
Take care.
Bye, everyone.